Hi everyone, this is Nidhi Mohan Kamal. You're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Namaste. Today we'll be doing 3 yoga poses for PCOS. So let's begin. The first posture we'll get into is a wide-legged standing forward fold. Now this is very good for improving the flexibility of your back and also improving your PCOS. So let's see how it's done. Firstly, you have to stand with your feet about 3.5 to 4 feet wide, depending on how tall you are. Now bending forward is something that most people do get wrong. So I'm going to show you on the side how it should look like. So generally when you say bending forward, you should be hinging from only the hip. Pressing your feet outwards so that I'm keeping the inside of the foot heavy. Instead of going down, I'm trying to go forward. So I'm going to extend my arms to go forward and lengthen my spine as much as I can. And from here, I'm going to keep lengthening the spine and go as far down as I can, depending on your flexibility. And from here, we're going to just move from side to side, staying in here for a couple of breaths. Keeping my elbows very heavy, keeping my head very heavy, keeping my shoulders relaxed. I'm going to move from side to side, staying 5 breaths in this posture. We're going to move into the same thing but in a seated position now. So seated, wide angle forward bend. Now again, depending on how flexible you are on your middle split, you could open up your legs, whatever is more comfortable to you, but just making sure that you're pressing down into the mat with your heels, with your calves, and I'm keeping my legs engaged. Now from here, I'm going to extend my arms up and find that length in my spine, keeping my shoulders away from the ears. I'm going to start bending forward and come up. We're going to do it 5 times. Bending forward, coming up. Again, bending forward, coming up. Remember, keep bending from your hips and not from the back. If you feel comfortable and if you can reach, go all the way down. Use your index finger and middle finger to catch hold of your big toe. Roll your shoulders back, take that chest out and keep smiling and bend forward. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths, keeping our legs active, pressing down, and slowly come back up. The next posture we'll be doing is the butterfly pose. For that, just fold your legs in front of you, keeping the base of the feet together. Just make sure you interlace your fingers on top of your toes and take your shoulders back, take the chest out and breathe into it. And if you feel like you can even get some movement in your hips like so. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. And from here, again, bending from the hips, I'm going to start extending my hands forward, and from here I'm going to walk forward, forward, forward as far down as I can. And when I can't reach anymore, I can drop my head down. Now, if you're not flexible on your forward fold, you could even keep a cushion in front of you and place your head on it. That's completely okay. The idea is to be able to stay there for 3 breaths. And once you're there, and slowly walk yourself back up and sit back and gently ease your hips into it. And that's it. If you can practice these poses 3 to 4 times in a week, that would be greatly beneficial for you. Thank you.